Let's be honest, these days it feels like everyone is a little more on edge about their belongings. Maybe you've noticed yourself double-checking the locks before bed, or glancing out the window when you hear a noise outside. The world feels different these days. Streets that once felt safe now seem a little emptier, a little less certain. Whether you live in a bustling city or a quiet suburb, you work hard for your stuff, whether it's a new TV, tools, or inventory for your shop. Every item represents your effort, your time, and your dreams for the future. It's yours. You earned it. There's a sense of pride in what you've built and what you own. So, the idea of someone just taking it? Infuriating. It's a violation that goes beyond the loss of things. It shakes your trust in the world around you. It's not just about money, it's about your sense of safety. That uneasy feeling lingers, making you question if you're truly secure. That feeling of vulnerability is everywhere now, not just in big cities. Even small towns and close-knit neighborhoods aren't immune. We see it on the news, stores cleaned out, garages emptied overnight. Headlines remind us that no place is truly untouched. Thieves are getting bolder and it leaves us feeling helpless. It's hard not to wonder if you'll be next. You start to wonder if your locks are enough, double-check your windows, and maybe even consider new ways to keep your home safe, and worry more than you should. Sleepless nights and anxious mornings become all too common. This isn't just a passing concern, it's a daily reality. The stress adds up, affecting your peace of mind and your routine. The old ways of protecting our stuff aren't keeping up. What worked before just doesn't cut it anymore. Thieves adapt, looking for easy targets, always searching for the next opportunity, and counting on us being unprepared. They exploit every weakness, every moment of distraction. Security isn't a luxury anymore, it's a necessity. Protecting your home and your loved ones is more important than ever. We need practical, effective solutions that don't break the bank. Everyone deserves to feel safe, no matter their budget. Ignoring the problem won't make it go away. Hoping for the best isn't a strategy. It's time to face it head-on and protect what's ours, because peace of mind is worth fighting for. For years we've relied on deadbolts, cameras, and alarms. They help, but are they enough anymore? We've all seen videos of thieves who don't care about cameras, they just cover up and get to work. Traditional security is passive. Cameras record, alarms make noise, but neither stops a determined thief. Response times are slow, and by the time help arrives, your stuff is gone. Thieves know how these systems work. They cut wires, jam signals, or move fast. Our security hasn't kept up. We're using old tech and hoping for the best. There's a gap between detection and action, and that's where we lose. That's why so many people feel unsafe even with a security system. We need more than a notification. We need something that takes action, something that confuses, delays, and deters. It's time to move from just recording crime to actually stopping it. The old ways just aren't cutting it. So, what's the alternative to traditional security? Enter the Anti-Looter Kit, a game changer in home defense. This isn't just another camera or alarm system you set and forget, it's an active defense system designed to stop intruders in their tracks. At its core is a powerful smoke generator, capable of filling an entire room with dense, harmless fog in just seconds, creating instant confusion. Thieves expect a clear path and a quick escape. Instead, they're suddenly plunged into a blinding whiteout. Completely disoriented, they can't see their hands in front of their face, can't find valuables, and can't even locate the exit in the chaos. On top of that, a high-decibel strobe siren kicks in, blinding lights flash, and ear-splitting noise fills the air, ramping up the pressure. The chaos is overwhelming, attacking every sense at once. It's impossible to communicate, coordinate, or even think straight. Suddenly, stealing is the last thing on their mind. All they want is to escape the confusion and noise as fast as possible. The Anti-Looter Kit doesn't just deter, it actively fights back, taking control away from intruders and putting it back in your hands. Unlike systems that wait for police to arrive, this kit acts instantly, deploying its defenses the moment a break-in is detected. Traditional alarms only alert you to a problem. The Anti-Looter Kit is the solution, stopping crime before it can even begin. It transforms your home from an easy target into a nightmare for thieves. It's proactive, not reactive, always ready to defend. Stopping a thief isn't easy, but this kit is built for the job, working tirelessly to keep your space safe. If you want real protection, you need a system that doesn't just watch but actually stops the crime in progress. That's exactly what the Anti-Looter Kit delivers: peace of mind and real security when it matters most. You might think a system like this is complicated, but it's surprisingly simple. The anti-looter kit is designed for regular people. No tech expertise required. It's modular, so you pick the components you need and place them where you want. The main control unit connects to door, window, or motion sensors. Mostly wireless, installation is quick and clean. No drilling or rewiring. You can customize it for your space, whether it's a garage, store, or living room. Place the smoke generator where it matters most. Add sirens where you need them. Set a delay so you can disarm it when you come home. It's affordable compared to professional monitoring or replacing stolen goods. Daily use is easy. Arm or disarm with a remote, just like your car alarm. No complicated codes, no hassle. Security should be accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy or tech-savvy. This kit makes that possible. Talking about security is one thing, explaining how a system works, describing its features, and making promises about what it can do. But seeing it in action, watching the system respond in real time, is something else entirely. So I set up a little test in an empty warehouse, carefully stocked with dummy valuables to simulate a real target. My role? Play the looter. Sneak in, grab what I could, and try to get out before the system could stop me. We installed the full kit: a door sensor, a motion detector, a smoke generator, and a strobe siren. Once everything was armed and ready, I made my move. I forced the door. Immediately the sensor tripped. After a short delay, the siren erupted and strobe lights started flashing, filling the space with chaos. Instantly, thick, blinding fog began to fill the room, making it nearly impossible to see anything. I couldn't see my feet, couldn't think straight, and my sense of direction vanished in seconds. My plan to grab and go, completely gone. Disoriented, I stumbled around, bumping into shelves and losing track of where I was. All I wanted at that point was to escape the chaos and find the exit as quickly as possible. After 30 seconds of total confusion and sensory overload, I finally managed to find the door, feeling my way through the thick fog. I got out, empty-handed, ears ringing, and completely overwhelmed. The kit worked exactly as designed. Even though I knew what was coming, I was totally defeated by the system's response. Now, imagine what it would do to a real thief, someone who isn't prepared for any of this. The anti-looter kit didn't just send an alert, it stopped me in my tracks. That's what real security looks like in action. My test was convincing, but what about real-world results? Sarah, an electronics store owner, had been robbed twice in a year. She installed the anti-looter kit as a last resort. When thieves tried again, the fog and siren sent them running. Nothing was stolen. Dave, a contractor, put a kit in his work van after repeated break-ins. One night, thieves broke in, but the fog drove them out. His tools were untouched. These stories have a common thread. The kit doesn't just record crime, it stops it. Owners feel empowered, not helpless. They're not waiting for the worst, they're ready for it. Real people, real results. This isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer. It gives people back their peace of mind. After testing it myself and hearing from real users, my verdict is clear. The anti-looter kit works. It stops thieves by creating chaos they can't handle. In a world where old security fails, this active defense is essential. It's simple, effective, and affordable. You don't need experts to install it, it's DIY and customizable. It's a one-time investment for real protection. Don't just hope you're safe, make sure you are. Protecting your property is a dirty job, but this kit does it right. Be proactive, not reactive. Maybe it's time for a new sheriff in town. Click the link at the bottom of the description. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.